Welcome back to the channel. I think it's time for a Da Nang apartment tour. Would you guys stay here for? So at this place, I actually have the entire 6th floor. It's still a communal area over here. Let me show you. So here's the elevator. You go over here. We have the bathroom. So it's not in my room, but it's actually pretty clean. I mean, I still wear shoes when I'm showering, but pretty decent bathroom. And then we have, and sorry for the noise, they've been doing construction 360 degrees around me for the entire time I've been here. But apparently my tour guide yesterday said it's because it's rainy season. So they're always trying to get a lot of work done. Like you see 1, 2, there's a building over there. There's a building over there as well. That's construction. But yeah, we got a little seating area here as well. And then let's head to the room. I'm just watching some YouTube, got some music going. So this is the room. Gotta take the shoes off, you know how it goes. Got a desk over here. I think this is like a king size bed. It's a pretty big bed. So we got the bed, kitchen, microwave, oven, washing machine right here too. So it's really simple, but I like the fact that we've got light on all sides. Even over here, there's a window that I don't use. So that's cool. Like I said, we still have the construction, but I've gone through the streets of Da Nang the last few days, and it's literally just everywhere. This is just what's happening. So you see even the building over there is under construction. They've got a crane over here. They're working down there where you can see those like blankets or whatever. Working over there. They're working on the building up here. So I don't even know if it's picking up all the hammering and banging, but pretty quiet with the doors, with the sliding doors shut. And somehow it's not as loud as Hanoi. I don't know how to explain that, but hearing all that banging is still less noise than the horns and all the stuff going on the street that I was in Hanoi. So that is the apartment. Just a quick video. What would you guys pay for this room? So I'm actually paying $23 per night to stay here. Now, I'm not sure the other YouTubers what exactly they're paying. They're always like, oh, I'm paying $16, $19, but I'm a 10-minute walk from the beach. I've got my own washer and dryer, so I don't know if they're staying in like hostels or homestays, which is where you stay at somebody's house, I guess. But I'm not seeing these deals, man. I see the cheapest I've seen is like $21, and it'll be like a 6-star, 100 review place. So I don't. And plus, I want to be near the beach, so it's kind of my preference, anyways. And I think maybe they're just not staying near any of the beaches. But even then, I'm seeing maybe $19 if you're living in the city center for a decent spot that's above eight stars. So comment down below if you guys would stay here. I've been enjoying it and just been extending the stay. As you know, we are just waiting for my Thailand education visa to go through. Should be within the next few days here. And I do enjoy the place. It's really nice. I like the host as well. He's been working with me, and that's actually a discounted rate because I'm staying for longer times. Like I'll say, hey, can I stay another 4 days? What discount can we get? So definitely recommend doing that, guys. This was my first time using booking.com. And he also just, I just pay cash. So I guess certain hosts just prefer cash. So I've been having to run to the ATM. But that's it. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. No amenities here, but the location really speaks for itself. It's just a great location. And aside from the construction, like I said, if you're in Da Nang right now, you're just going to hear construction. There's not anything you can do about it. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.